pioneering future for efficient and sustainable advanced air mobility.
Imagine a world where cities reach for the sky, not just with towering skyscrapers, but with a symphony of air taxis navigating the urban airspace. This is the promise of urban air mobility, and at the heart of this revolution lie vertiports. These are not your typical airports. Vertiports are meticulously designed hubs, meticulously planned for the unique needs of electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, or EVTOLs. Picture them as bustling launch pads for a new era of transportation, where sleek, futuristic aircraft seamlessly transition from sky to ground. Vertiports are more than just landing pads. They are envisioned as integrated transportation hubs, seamlessly connecting with existing public transport networks. Picture a future where you disembark a train and effortlessly transition to an VTOL, soaring above congested roads to reach your final destination. This intermodal connectivity is key to unlocking the full potential of urban air mobility, offering commuters a faster, more efficient, and sustainable way to navigate our increasingly crowded cities. The significance of vertiports extends beyond their role as transportation hubs. They represent a paradigm shift in urban planning, offering a solution to the growing problem of traffic congestion. As cities around the world grapple with the limitations of traditional infrastructure, vertiports present an opportunity to literally rise above these challenges. By creating a new layer of airspace for urban transportation, we can alleviate pressure on existing roads and infrastructure, unlocking a future where commuting is no longer synonymous with stress and wasted time. At the forefront of this urban air mobility revolution are VTOLs, a new breed of aircraft poised to redefine how we navigate our cities. Unlike traditional helicopters, VTOLs are powered by electricity, offering a quieter, more sustainable alternative. Imagine a sky no longer dominated by the roar of helicopter blades, but by the gentle hum of electric motors. The benefits of VTOLs extend beyond their reduced noise footprint. These aircraft are designed with sustainability in mind, producing zero emissions during operation. This is critical as we strive to create a cleaner, greener future for our cities. Moreover, VTOLs offer a more efficient mode of transportation, requiring less energy than their combustion engine counterparts. eVTOLs are not just about practicality. They represent a new era of flight, one that is accessible, affordable, and integrated into the fabric of our daily lives. Imagine hailing an air taxi with the same ease as ordering a ride-sharing service, seamlessly traveling across town in a fraction of the time. The world is rapidly embracing the potential of vertiports and eVTOLs. Cities like Singapore, Dubai, and Los Angeles are at the forefront of this urban air mobility revolution, investing heavily in the infrastructure and technology needed to make this vision a reality. Picture a future where skylines are not just defined by skyscrapers, but by a network of interconnected vertiports, facilitating the seamless flow of air taxis. The implications of this transformation are far-reaching. Vertiports have the potential to reshape urban landscapes, creating new hubs of economic activity and innovation. Imagine vertiports becoming integral parts of business districts, shopping malls, and residential areas, offering unparalleled connectivity and convenience. Designing a vertiport is a complex undertaking, requiring careful consideration of numerous factors. These structures must be strategically located to ensure optimal accessibility and integration with existing transportation networks. Imagine vertiports seamlessly connected to train stations, bus depots, and even underground hyperloops, creating a truly interconnected transportation ecosystem. Sustainability is paramount in vertiport design. These structures are increasingly incorporating green building materials, energy-efficient systems, and even on-site renewable energy generation. Imagine vertiports as beacons of sustainability, powered by solar panels and utilizing rainwater harvesting systems.